going to show you a tool that you can use to check your calculations for the beam design now. So if you find MDSolids, you can go ahead and click on that. It'll ask you about this Autodesk Inventor 2015. Just click cancel, and you might have to click it a few times, but the program will eventually open. The next thing you want to do is go to a Determinate Beam here, and we have a Determinate Beam with 2 points. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Our beam length for the one we calculated in our example was 10 feet, so I'll change that. The location of the left support's at 0, the right support is at 10, so I'll type that in and click enter, and it will give us our beam. The next thing we have to do is apply our load to the beam, and so in this case we had a uniform load that was down on the beam, so we'll go ahead and click that. The start location of the load is at 0 or point A. The end location is 10 feet. And the magnitude of that load will be calculated for both our dead load and live load was 1,000 pounds per foot. And so I'll go ahead and type that in, and I can hit enter, and it will create the shear diagram and the moment diagram for me. Once you have that created, you can double check your calculations. We can see that the reaction force at A and B is 5,000, so we're right on there. And our maximum moment, 12,500 foot-pounds, is right also. So when you're done with that, you can go ahead and click File and click Print Form. Click Print Diagram. It's going to give you a printout title. In this case, we're going to type in Beam Design Example. I'll click Next. Then we can click Print. It's going to ask us what font we want to use. You can just use the default Tahoma 10 point. Click OK. And that form will print out. It looks something like this. And you'll want to go ahead and secure that in your engineering notebook when you're finished.